name's Laverne Walker. I'm the director of Sackville Travel Ltd. Okay, so Rick's designed a whole new website for us. It was very colourful, very presentable, with great navigation for our customers to be able to find information about us, our special offers, our hotels and our flights. The layout was very customer friendly. It helped our customers to engage and to find out lots of information about not only us as a company, but about the product, and be able to send inquiries through very easily. Our old website was very static and boring actually, and what we found was that our customers would come to the website and they weren't staying very long, they weren't finding information that they wanted, they weren't finding information about hotels, there wasn't anything engaging them in the website. So they would come and visit it, they'd get very limited information, maybe our telephone number, and then they would call us, or they would come onto the website and then they would close it. With the new website, what we found, due to the colours, due to the adverts, due to the sliders that he's put on there, it's enabled our customers to be more engaging. There's a lot of social media on there also, so our customers can see what we've posted. They can also see what they've posted, and they can see that on the website in real time. So it helps them to feel quite engaged with exactly what is happening and what they're posting, what we're posting. We're responding back to them. They're finding out information about different hotels, about different destinations, about different products that we do, our premium cabins, and so much more information. So they're staying on the website a lot longer.